Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share a contact number from one iPhone to another. Let's get started. First of all, your iPhone save all phone numbers inside the contact app. Now take your iPhone and open the phone app. Now tap on contacts at the bottom of its screen. Now scroll through the list and tap on the contact name you want to share. On the contact screen, scroll down a little and tap on share contact. Tap on it. After that, click the check mark at the top right corner of the screen. Now you will see many sharing options. You can share the contact using message, WhatsApp, mail or airdrop. Tap on the app you want to use. For example, if you tap WhatsApp, select the person and send it. The other person will receive the contact and can save it easily. On the other mobile, open the message to save contact or add to contact, and that's it. The contact number is now saved on the another phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.